This is a well-balanced dinner with mashed potatoes, asparagus, and steak. And I'm going to show you how to make each item. The best asparagus is made in a cast iron skillet. Coat your skillet in olive oil. Then lay out your asparagus and season with some salt and pepper. Make sure your asparagus is laid out flat and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then flip it over so that it can cook on the other side. These are my tips for the perfect mashed potatoes. Don't peel your potatoes, but score along the edge with a knife. Place your potatoes in cold water and bring to a boil. And season with salt. Once your potatoes are fork tender, have them steam in a basket. Then peel your potatoes. Pass your potatoes through a ricer. This will make them extra creamy and smooth. To make a sauce, boil 2 cups of water and half a stick of butter. Add your sauce when it's very hot and then stir it all together. Check your seasoning and add in more salt and pepper if needed. This is how you make the perfect steak. Season both sides of your steak with salt and pepper and add your steak to a very hot pan. Cook for 3 minutes and then flip it over. Add in your butter and a couple of cloves of garlic, and then use a spoon to baste your steak with the butter and garlic sauce. Make a thyme bundle and use that to brush butter on your steak. Cut your steak against the grain. And there you have a perfect steak.